Today's property tour is in Whitby's Bluegrass Meadows. I am at 110 Melissa Crescent, and this is a property that's located at pretty much Thixon and Dundas, Glen Hill and Dundas to be more specific. This is kind of a little bit of the street. It's a mix between double car garage homes, single car garage homes, linked, detached, and yeah, it's just a little bit of a quiet street. I am doing an open house here today. I figure why not do a little property tour. This listing is a colleague of mine, John Hartford. So he was nice enough to let me do the open house and also to do a property tour. For the house itself, you have an extra long driveway. You can fit 2 larger vehicles or 3 smaller ones. Plus you have the garage, which you can have as well. It is a linked property. So what that means is between the houses here, you'll notice that it's a little bit closer together, and it's the same on the other side too. And so it's actually linked below. So it's actually connected at the foundation or the footings, and it's usually done by a metal bar. And developers or builders were able to do that. They were able to put the homes closer together, and because they were close together, it just allowed them to kind of support it. The house itself, same thing on that side. And you have the garage, which gives you ample storage space, but then you also have room for a car if you wanted to pull a car into here instead. I know that is important for some people. And you have a little bit of a sitting area here also. So if you are interested at moving here and you want to find out more, feel free to reach out. I walk in through front door, staircase right here. It's just me putting my shoes away. So it's like a family room, living room, family room, dining room kind of setup. You go to the back and you have the kitchen and backyard. So it's nice. It's large deck. Take a look at the kitchen in a minute. Yeah, so large deck, air conditioning. You have access to your backyard from that side, and yeah, big trees. It's an apple tree of some sort there. You have a sitting area, and then play area, grass, flowers, gardens, all that fun stuff. Home has been well maintained. So you have your kitchen, your stove, and you do have a dishwasher, and you do have your vent as well. And this is a recirculation vent, so it just circulates the air through the charcoal filter, which helps eliminate it, but you do have a window, so if you were cooking, just open your window and it's kind of circulating the air for you. Up or down, up or down, up or down. We will go down. Go down first. Before we do, it's the bathroom. So you do on the main floor have a 2-piece. And why this is important is because if you do have people coming over, you don't have to worry about them going upstairs to use the bathroom upstairs. So if you have people coming over, the whole house doesn't have to be clean, just your main floor. Go into the basement. Electrical panel is right here. 100 amp panel, not a whole bunch of room left on it. There's like 1 slot there, but it's 100 amp panel, so it's more than enough for this house. If you were going to get something bigger, you might need to increase it a little bit to get 200 amp panel if you were doing something major, but outside of that, this is more than enough. You have a little bit of storage. Storage is very important when you're living in a home because you probably accumulate stuff. So you do have carpet and pot lights. It's an open concept, so it could be a good playroom, good for watching TV, yeah, that kind of stuff. You do have more storage right here. I did actually just do a, because we're in Bluegrass Meadows right now, I did a video that just released on Bluegrass Meadows. So if you are looking to move to this area, you can check that out. My name, again, Brad Gates. If you have never watched any of my videos before, be sure to subscribe to them, like them, comment if you have any questions. Always love to hear feedback. This is the furnace room. So you have the furnace, and then you have your filter here. So this is what you would actually want to replace. Each one is different. The size of this furnace filter there is probably one of those ones that you replace every 3 to 6 months, maybe more, maybe less. Again, each one is different. This here is the humidifier. So it actually, puts moisture into the air. So this is good to have. So in the summer when the furnace is on, you have this on, and it won't dry out your skin like it would typically without that. Laundry room. So you have your front loads there as well. And you have your hot water tank. A little bit older of a hot water tank, but typically they're rentals. I'd have to check on this one to see if it's owned or not, but 9 times out of 10 it's a rental. And then furnace, got the white pipes. White pipes is good when you're looking at furnaces because if they're black, they were known to crack and carbon monoxide poisoning. That's why if you see a furnace that has the black pipes, you're going to want to install one of those carbon monoxide detectors, or just swap it to the white pipes. And the white pipes, typically it's a high efficiency furnace. The bigger the pipes, the more fumes it's sucking out there. So that's kind of what's important. So this kind of your basement level. Upstairs. Don't think I showed this, but you do have a front hall closet for jackets and shoes and purses, backpacks. Go up the stairs. 3 bedrooms, 1 bathroom is up here. So we'll just kind of start here, bedroom 3. So that there's a queen size bed. You do have room for a little night table, some other little pieces of furniture, and then you do have a closet. Closets are great for storing your clothes. And then this here is bedroom number 2, set up as a nursery. We will go take a look at the backyard. That's the backyard. So that's a wholesale club that's back there. And right in front of that building is actually Dundas or King. Yeah, so this bedroom number 2, they have it set up as a nursery. You got your closet. This is the bathroom. So it's a 4-piece, so you have your sink, toilet, and then your tub shower combination. 4-piece, you do have a fan up there, so it's code that you have to have that or a window. Newer homes will have both. Older homes, if you have a window, 9 times out of 10 you won't see that. But this age of home, it would have been code to have the fan in there. And then this here's the primary bedroom. That's a queen size bed. It's the largest of the bedrooms. And then you have your closet. And then it overlooks the front of the house. That's a little bit of the street. Sorry for the rain. It's a rainy day. And so that's the tour of a home. It does have air conditioning, which is super important for living in Canada during the summer. I don't know what's going on, but it's getting hotter and hotter and hotter. Well, that was the video. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, be sure to like it, comment on it, subscribe to the channel. If you are looking at moving here, this channel is all about what it's like to actually eat, sleep, play, live, everything right here in the Durham region. I've helped so many people looking to move here and I absolutely love it. So if you want that help, all you have to do, call, text, email. You can send a carrier pigeon, whatever is easiest for you. And I'm just here to make everything go so much easier. Thanks for watching. Again, feel free to reach out, check out all the other videos on my channel. Thanks for watching again, and until next time.